Finding out your Stripe account is under review is a massive headache because it puts your entire business on pause. You log in expecting to see your sales, but instead, you are greeted by that dreaded status banner at the top of your dashboard. I am going to show you exactly how to clear those requirements and get your payouts moving again, but you need to stick around until the end because I have a specific tip on how to handle your account activity to make sure Stripe never flags you for high-risk behavior again. This review process happens because Stripe is responsible for compliance and risk management. Think of them like a digital security guard for your money. They need to verify that your business model is legitimate and that you aren't a risk for high disputes or fraud. Sometimes they flag you just because you have been inactive for a long time, like 540 days, and they need to make sure you are still the one running the show. It is a standard part of the platform, and usually it only takes about 24 to 48 hours to resolve once you give them what they need. The first thing you need to do is log into your Stripe dashboard and look at the very top. You will see a banner telling you if you are under review or restricted. From there, you need to head over to your account settings and click on the Documents tab. If you see a message saying you are all set, then you are in the clear. But if there are open requirements, you will see them listed in the Actions Required section. If you are running a Connect platform and managing other people, you need to go to your Connected Accounts page and filter by the In Review or Restricted tabs to see who needs help. Now, you need to gather your paperwork. Stripe usually wants to see things like your tax or VAT registration and specific business details. When you upload these files, do not just take a blurry photo with your phone. You need to provide clear, high-quality images that meet their specifications, or they will just reject them and make you start over. If they ask for more info about your business type or location, be as honest and detailed as possible. Once you submit everything, you just have to wait for the review to finish. If for some reason they reject your info, look for an appeal option on your account details page. While you are waiting, stop all new transactions. Trying to push more money through a flagged account just makes you look more suspicious to their automated systems. Keep a close eye on your email inbox for any specific updates or questions from their team. If 48 hours pass and you still haven't heard anything, go to your dashboard and start a chat with their support team or visit their complaints page to get a status update. The secret to making sure this doesn't happen again is to keep your account active and your dispute rate low. If your account stays inactive, Stripe pauses your verification, so even if you aren't selling much, log in and keep your details updated. Also, if your account ever gets closed after a review, they might hold your funds for over 150 days, so always appeal immediately if the option is there. Now that you have your Stripe account back on track, you should look into how to set up automated tax professional alerts to keep your business even more secure.